Welcome to the topic, communication habits that build trust, cooperation, and respect. Topic for the subject, building relationships in a workplace setting. In this topic, you explored how everyday communication habits shape trust, cooperation, and professional respect in IT infrastructure and data center environments. The key message is clear. Strong technical work depends not only on what people know, but also on how clearly they communicate and confirm understanding. In technical operations, misunderstandings often happen when people assume that others know what has been agreed or who owns the next action. During incidents, change windows, shift handovers, or vendor escalations, small communication gaps can quickly become operational risks. This is why communication must be structured, purposeful, and reliable. One of the most important habits is closed-loop communication. This means you send a message, confirm that you have received it, summarize your understanding, and verify the next step. In a busy operations environment, this habit prevents silent misalignment. It ensures that both parties know what action is required and when it must happen. You also examine the value of a clear service impact statement. Technical teams may understand terms such as latency or packet loss, but business stakeholders need to understand what the issue means for users. A strong service impact statement explains who is affected and how serious it is. This helps stakeholders make decisions without needing to interpret complex technical detail. Another key idea is that ownership must be explicit. Phrases like, "we are looking into it," or "someone will check," may sound helpful but can confuse. Strong communication names the owner and the action. This protects accountability and prevents duplicated work, delayed responses, or assumptions that someone else is managing the issue. The topic also highlighted the importance of effective handover. A handover is not simply a transfer of tasks, it is a transfer of context. The receiver needs to understand the current impact, the working hypothesis, evidence collected, actions attempted, risks, and decision triggers. When handovers are incomplete, teams may repeat diagnostics, miss important risks, or contradict previous decisions. You also explored blameless language. This does not mean avoiding accountability. It means focusing communication on facts, risks, constraints, and next actions rather than personal fault. In high-pressure environments, blaming language can make people defensive and reduce cooperation. Blameless language keeps it professional and firm. A recurring theme in this topic is that silence creates uncertainty. During an incident or change window, no news is rarely reassuring. Predictable updates, even when there is no major change, help stakeholders trust that someone is actively managing the situation. Clear update rhythms reduce unnecessary chasing, repeated questions, and escalation caused by uncertainty. This topic also challenged common misconceptions. Being polite is not enough if ownership and timing are unclear. A ticket is useful, but it does not always guarantee shared understanding. Direct communication does not need to be blunt. Business stakeholders do not need to wait for root cause before receiving meaningful updates. Good communication is about structure, clarity, and purpose. As you reflect, focus on these habits. Close the loop, name the owner, set update times, and translate issues into service impact. In IT infrastructure environments, communication is an operational control. It reduces confusion, protects service continuity, and strengthens trust. When communication is clear, reliable, and respectful, people can work together better under pressure and maintain confidence in the service they deliver. Thank you for joining this exploration of communication habits. Apply these principles to build a more effective and cooperative workplace today.